for na wundi. Woman me sorry me be for wo aduane, ama me sorry me odi matem. E dey say so be fa me aduane.
Maame abote.
Sha maame kan show, em fa me aduane bi mo ate. Me ni ni sa wo fia.
Dey na be sai.
Me pede yo yen.
That was fantastic. At the moment I thought no, hold on a minute. You know when I started well, anyways, I think you can see why she's won a lot of awards and all that, because she's great at what she does, and it's apparently that is what she wants to focus on and build on, and I mean establish herself in it. So, Maame, any advice?
Yeah.
Any advice to the youth?
Yeah, I really want to advise my brothers and sisters out there. I mean the kids, especially. They shouldn't just sit down and leave their education and just follow maybe a peer group or maybe something like that. They should really look up to what they really want to do in life. And they should always respect their parents. Not even your parents, even everyone you meet. I can choose to respect someone maybe smaller or maybe younger than me. It doesn't matter. All you need is the respect, and all you need is to make friends with everyone you meet. You should be prayerful too, and always listen to the advice of your parents. That's very, very important. And all I can say is thanks to my fans, my management team, everyone, my parents for supporting me all this while, my producers, my directors. Thank them so much, and thanks to God for bringing me this far. Thank him so much.
I'm sure God has already listened to the prayers even before it ended.
Yeah, thanks to Bambini Show.
Oh, we are humbled. Anyways, thank you so much for watching the show. It's been an amazing 30 minutes spending time on the Bambini Show. And today we discussed pursuing career in acting and filmmaking. And we have a lovely, gorgeous, beautiful Maame Serwaa. She's Clara Benson. And you can see she's finished senior high school. So it means, she said, I remember she said that, but I'm chipping this in again, that if you want to pursue acting or you want to be in the industry, it doesn't mean you should neglect or desert your books. You have to do that, focus on that one, then you can do whatever you want to do, because it's very important. Even if you have to be a petty trader, you need some form of education. You need to use your head, because the intelligence is very, very important. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you stay tuned next week again to watch more exciting things that will be coming your way. My name is Ede and I have been your host. This has been your Bambini Show. I want to say thank you to International Community School for giving us the platform to have an episode here on their campus. Thank you to everybody. You can follow us on our social media platform, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Bambini Show. You can leave your suggestions, ask any questions that you may have for us, and I can assure you that we'll get back to you. We'll give you feedback. So until we come your way again next week with more exciting, interesting, fantastic people, new faces, amazing kids, beautiful show, this has been your Bambini Show, the #1 educative TV program right here in GH. So, kids, let's just say bye-bye to these kids. Bye-bye.